Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a quick unboxing and first impressions video of this new mouse, the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. This mouse just came out earlier this month, and I was really looking forward to making the upgrade. The last mouse that I was using was the small Finalmouse Starlight Pro 10s edition. I really liked using it, and I thought I wouldn't need to get a new mouse anytime soon, but then the scroll wheel started giving false inputs. See how when I only pull the wheel down, sometimes it'll read as up. This makes the scroll wheel frustrating to use, to say the least. This happened around the time the Superlight 2 was leaked on Twitter, so I decided to wait for it to be released, and here we are now. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We're immediately met with the mouse itself. This is the white variant, but it also comes in black and pink. The plastic feels smooth, which isn't a good thing because you want to have a good grip on it. The overall design and shape are practically the same as the first version, with the main changes being different looking bottom feet and a USB-C port instead of micro USB. Also in the box is the wireless receiver. It comes with a USB-C converter, which comes in handy because you can use the same wire to charge the mouse or act as the receiver. Inside this smaller packaging, we have an alternative magnetic puck. This acts as an additional mouse gate. And there's also some grips, which I was really happy to see. Other reviews I saw didn't even mention that these came in the box, so I'm really glad they did because I didn't like the texture of the mouse. And of course, lastly we have a USB-C cable. Again, this can be used to plug into the mouse to charge or plug into the receiver. Changing the puck is easy. Just press down on the bottom side and it should stick out enough for you to grab it. And then the alternative one can be put in and it's held together by magnets. I don't really see a need for it, so I plan on using the default one. And I installed these side grips right away. I don't normally use the grips for the clicks, but it's nice that they included them too. Once installed, the mouse is immediately easier to hold and less slippery. I'm not going to analyze the stats of the mouse too much in this video, but I did want to go over some of my first impressions. The mouse clicks feel really good and tactile. I saw that reviewers were complaining that they were heavy, especially compared to the first one. Well, because I didn't use the first one, all I really had to compare it to was my Starlight. And it turns out the Superlight's clicks are actually lighter. When I press both together, the Superlight actuates before the Starlight does. I wouldn't let reviewers scare you if you're worried about them feeling heavy. Don't get me wrong, they are on the heavier side, but it's not anything you wouldn't get used to. On the other hand, the scroll wheel gives little tactility. The bumps between each scrolling increment are rounded and soft, and the press is shallow. Honestly, it doesn't feel the best to me, and I'm thinking I might want to change them out in the future. Lastly, the actual movement of the mouse feels okay, but has a noticeable amount of friction when compared to the Starlight. I'm planning on changing the mouse gates, which is a popular mod to perform. Specifically, I'm looking into getting the Pulsar's glass mouse gates. Those are said to be extremely durable and make the mouse almost frictionless. It'll take some time to make adjustments and mods to the mouse, and I'll upload an update video in the future. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to help support my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.